Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to create a French manicure using Le Frenchie. This French mani set comes with 2 small gel polishes and stickers. To start, we will plug in the lamp and prep our nails. Once we are all done, take the Meringue shade to use as the base. This sheer, barely there pale pink is perfect for any nail art base. Once all your nails are cured, take the curved sticker and place it on the tip of your nails. Make sure the edges are tight so the gel doesn't bleed through. As black is the new black, this French mani's tips are in the shade Licorice. All you have to do is paint the tips of your nails using the curved sticker as a guide. To make sure gel does not bleed through, remove the sticker after you cure and polish is all dry. And that's it! You have a glossy and shiny French mani. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and subscribe.